¿Qué onda, vatos? Thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. I am installing these on the Sportster. You guys can see these are motorcycle lights or something like that. I got these on Amazon for 15 bucks. They look pretty good. So we're gonna see how these work on the Sportster. I am wiring them. You guys can see. Just wanted to show you guys how I soldered the lines and stuff like that, in case you guys are wondering. So the blue one is your running light, the purple is your signal light, and the black one is your ground. So that's how you would wire this onto your Sportster. So of course you have the 4-pin connector, but it's only 3 wires. And that connects to your turn signal connector, of course. And yeah, I mean, pretty straightforward. On the actual Amazon light, you have 2 wires here. The yellow one is your 50% intensity, 50% intensity, 100% intensity on the red. So then this would be, the yellow would be your running lamp or your running light. The red one is your brake light, and the black one, of course, that's your ground. So just wanted to show you guys how that wires up before I use the heat shrink, and then I use the electrical tape on top of that to kind of protect everything from the elements. So I don't know how these are going to work out. You know, I'm not sure if this adhesion or this double-sided tape is going to hold. I'm wondering myself. We'll see how it holds up. I'm going to put this on the saddlebags. That way I have turn signals and something to just kind of be seen. So these are supposedly red. They're black, of course, so they're going to blend in a little bit better. There's other options. I'll probably make a video on the different options. So let's go ahead and put this on the Sportster. Like I said, your connector, OEM connector, you splice into it, and then you could either solder this, or you could also use a quick disconnect. Alright, so I went ahead and cleaned this up with some alcohol. Cleaned up the surface. Of course, you want a good solid adhesion to the surface, so we clean these up with alcohol. I also laid down some tape to kind of give me a guide of where these lights are going to go. So they're hanging down there. I'm going to remove the tape, and we're going to go ahead and try to get as close as possible to my marks. I'm using masking tape. You could use whatever you want, but I think the masking tape just makes it a little bit easier because you don't have to measure here, here, and here to get an accurate reading. You just take the masking tape. It's exactly the same length, or the width is exactly the same all the way down. So you know that's as straight as possible as you can get it. So then we're going to grab this, remove the tape, and then stick that on there. And then we're pretty much done. And then we'll go ahead and turn on the bike and see how they look.